I think I got the best place where we can have a jalebi. They call it Jalebi Junction. Again, all nice Indian street food. He's cooking over there fresh jalebi. Fresh jalebi. And then he's just adding inside the syrup, sugar syrup. Looks nice. Oh, this is the mixture you use. What is inside? Is it flour?
Flour.
Oh.
Color. Orange color.
My friend, you are an artist, seriously. He's an artist. Look at this one. He made a nice jalebi in here, and over there, syrup. He just add inside the syrup. Few seconds inside the syrup, then you can have a top level jalebi. Seriously, my mouth getting watery, and I have to order maybe half kilo. How much is per kilo?
13 pounds.
13 pounds. Can I have a half kilo?
Yeah, you do it.
Yeah, half kilo jalebi, and he has a variety of the sweets as well. Look at this, and there is a lot of nice sweets over here, and some snacks as well. And over there you can see the syrup, and they make a juice as well. Yeah, oh, fresh juice. She's making fresh juice. Oh yeah, it's over here. Nice fresh juice. And look at this. He just drop it inside the syrup. And how long it stay inside the syrup? Maybe
Few seconds.
few seconds.
Yeah.
Then you can have a top level jalebi. It looks so nice. Seriously. Oh yeah. Thank you so much. Look at this. It's so hot.
Yeah, a little bit ice.
He gave me fresh one. Seriously, it's so hot. Mmm. Yes, I do. It's so juicy. Seriously, inside full of the syrup. It's so delicious. Mmm. I just came in to try my jalebi. It's the back. It's so hot. It's so fresh jalebi. Look at this one. I want to show you guys. This is the fresh jalebi. You must try if you are coming in here. It's so hot. Wow. Outside, a little bit sticky because of the sugar syrup. I go all like this. Mmm. It's hot, sweet, crunchy. A long time I haven't tried like this fresh jalebi. It's amazing. I can't stop. It's one of the best places if you want to try a nice, hot, juicy and delicious jalebi. You must come in here because they will give you best one.